Now we have to draw the section. First, the section line will be like this: one long line and one dotted, one long line, one dotted, and one. And here section, this is the section line, but you want the view of this portion, then you have to mark like this. Okay? This is your view direction. In which direction you want the section of the building. If you want this portion, then you have to show the arrow below. Now the arrow is up and you have to write AA. Now how to draw the section along the AA direction. Now you know, plan is nothing but when the building is cut horizontally at the sill level, this is called plan. Now what is section means? When the same building cut along the vertical direction. Okay? Now this is your section. Then how to draw the section? First, in elevation, ground line you have to just extend like this with thin lines. Then all lines, plinth line also you have to extend like this. And then lintel level, then ceiling, then slab, then parapet. That you have to do. Now leave some space and draw one vertical line. Now you come to here. First you see this line cut the first wall. Okay? This line cutting the first wall. That means we have to draw the wall thickness. What is the wall thickness? Wall thickness is given 230 mm thick. That means from here you have to make 0.23 mm thick. That means 0.45. That means you have to take 4.5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4.5 mm you have to take and draw the line. Now this is your wall. Now after the wall, what we will see and what is the distance between the two walls? That is 3 meters. That means that 3 meters is dimension between the two walls. That is in to in dimension. That means from here draw 3 meter means 6 centimeter. That is 1:50 scale. Draw a vertical line. Then afterwards, thickness of the wall. Thickness of the wall is again 4.5 mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. Now this is your wall. Now remaining, you erase this. No. Understood now? That is, section is nothing but when the same building, if you cut from top to the bottom, vertical section. This is your section. Now how to draw the section means, first you have to extend all the lines. That is ground line, plinth line, lintel line, ceiling line, slab line, and parapet line. Now after leaving some space from this end, draw one vertical line. You come to the plan. First the line will cut the wall first. That is wall. What is the wall thickness? You have to refer this detail. That is brick masonry 230 mm thick. That means when you convert the 230 mm to the scale of 1:50, that is 0.46, nearly 0.45 mm, 0.45 centimeter, that is 4.5 mm. Now, what is the distance between the two walls? 3 meter. 3 meter. That is, if we convert 3 meter into 6 meter to a scale of 1:50, that becomes 6 centimeters. From here to here, it is 6 centimeter. That means in to in is 3 meter is over. Then afterwards, you have to show the line. Now, here, this is your plinth line. This line is plinth line. Then here, basement. What is the basement? 450 mm, wide 150. 450 mm. Foundation. Basement, that's 1:60, 450 mm, wide. That much. 450 mm wide. That means here you have to make the center of this one, it is 450 mm wide here. That means 450 mm, you know the footing, that is both sides you have to equal. 450 means 225. 225 divided by 1000, that is 2.23. 0.23, you make it double, that is 0.46. Then what is the plinth height? That is 600 mm. Yes. Now your plinth is over. Now below that you have foundation. 900 mm wide and thick 2 courses of size stone masonry. Now after that you have a same center line, you have to mark like this. Okay, it is 450. Then next comes 600. 600 minus 450, that is 150. 150 by 2, that is 0.75. From here, that is also a 600, that is 1.2. Yes. Then this is 450 and this is 600. Next one is 750. And that is also, height is same, that is 600. Then last one is, you have a 900 center. Here, first you draw the 230 mm thick wall. That means it becomes 0.23, and if you convert this into a 1:50, this becomes 0.46. Now it is 450. Okay, 450 it becomes 0.45 meter, and if you make it 1:50, make it double, then it becomes 0.9. That means from here 0.45 this side and 0.40 this side, and the plinth height is 600. Then next footing it comes 600. 600, if you convert to the meter, it will becomes 0.6, and if you convert that into 1:50, that is 1.2, and you have to make it half this side and half this side. Here 750. 750 it becomes 0.75. You make it double, that is 1.5. Total, that is from here to here it is 1.5. From center it is 0.75 this side and 0.75 this side. 600 means 300 this side and 300 this side. 450 means 225 this side, 225 this side. Okay? Now the same line we just extended very lightly. Now the same, whatever you have drawn this wall, same foundation you have to draw the next wall. Here, same. Once again I will explain you. This is your plan, that is the horizontal, when the building is cut horizontally at the sill level. It will be like this. Now this is your section line. So how to draw the section line? One long line, one dot, one long, one dot, like that you would make. And which portion you want to see, that direction you have to. If you want this portion from this section, if you want, then draw a line like this and show the arrow. If you want other side, then draw the line above the section line and show the arrows below. This is a. Now how to draw? First, this section line, cut the wall. Before that, whatever the horizontal lines in the elevation, that you have to extend it. That means first you have to extend the ground line, then plinth line, then lintel line, then ceiling line, then slab line, and then the parapet line. After leaving some space from the elevation wall, then you have to draw one horizontal, one vertical line. From this line, first the section line cut the wall. Okay, you have to show the first thickness of the wall, that is 230 mm thick. Okay, 230 mm divided by 1000, that is 0.23 meter. Then if you make to a scale of 1:50, that becomes 0.46. That means 4.5 mm thick. From here to here 4.5. Here this is your wall. Now below the plane, first comes basement, then this is your foundation. What is the width of the basement? Basement of the plane width is 450 mm wide and 600 mm height. That means from here it is 225 from here it is total width is 450, that we have to 450 divided by 1000, that is 0.45, that you convert into 1:50, then that becomes 0.9. 0.9 means from here 0.45 from point, this is over. Then below 450 second footing, that is 600. From center here it is 300, it is 300. 600 means 0.600 divided by 1000, that is 0.6. If you convert 0.6 to a scale of 1:50, then it becomes 1.2. 1.2 divided by 2 means from here it is 0.6, here it is 0.6. Total width it is 1.2. Then comes 750 width. 750 divided by 1000, that becomes 0.75. 0.75 if we convert 1:50, then it becomes 1.5 centimeter. That is total width is 1.5 centimeter. It is informed. You have to make it at the center, 1.5 this side, 0.75 this side, 0.7. Total it is. Then afterwards, that is only the foundation part, that is 900. That is 450 this side, 450 this side. And the thickness is already given 1000. That is 10 mm. Okay? Now the one wall is over. The same whatever the details you have, plinth, 2 footings, bed concrete, you have to draw here. Now the 2 walls are here, completed. Now this is your floor level and this is your length. Now Now, 2 walls are over now. In between the 2 walls, if you stand here in the room, you will see the window. So you have to show the window at what distance from here to here, how much it is? It is 1.5. From here, you have to make 1.5 this side and 1.5 1.5. Why 1.5 this side means the window is located at the center of the building. Now this is your window, and what is the height of the window? 1.2, 1200. That is, this is length and this is height. 1200 divided by 1000. That is 1.2 meter. If you convert into 1:50, that you have to make it double. That is 2.4. That from here it is 2.1 to 2.4. Now your window is over now. Now erase this line because the slab is rested on the walls. Okay? Now you lines like this. Okay? First, all lines you have to draw it very light lines. Then after finishing the drawing, make all the lines thick and dark. Okay? Thick and dark. Now erase this line. Erase this line also. Now, after finishing all your drawings, you have drawn the lines very thin. After that, you have to make it dark and thick. Okay, like this. And all lines should be very uniform. Okay, like that you have to draw it. Okay, now. Like that you have to make it line dark. Okay, and thickness and the darkness of each and every line should be very uniform. Here also draw all the lines, whatever you have drawn, very thin lines, make it dark. Now, this is your ground line. You have to show like this, 3 lines and make it like this. That indicates your ground line, that is GL. Okay? For your reference, I will write here as plinth line. And for your reference, I will write here this is your ground line, GL, and this is your plinth line. This is your lintel line. Lintel line is nothing but the height of the door, and then ceiling. Okay, then this is your slab thickness, and this is your parapet. Now, here you have to show the windows like this very properly. Okay, now first you have to draw one very thin line and make it 3 mm. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then draw one more line like this. Here in between you have to write as room, ROOM, room. very neatly and uniform. Then below that, you have to write the size of the room. That is 3.00 into 400 meter. All should be capital. Okay, like this. It should become at the center, and here also window W you have to like this, and all should be 3 mm. According to the drawing, you have to vary the size of the, then here D. Now it is over. Now here you have a steps. You have to show the steps. Okay, from here 1 centimeter, that is 300. 230 means 0.5, 1, 2, 3. Make it 1.5 from this end. Now below that, draw one horizontal line. Okay, take 0.5, make one line, write it as plan. Like this. Okay, and now it is your plan. Okay, now the plan is over. Here, okay, draw one more line, then make it 0.5 mm, then draw one more line. Write the elevation E, elevation. No, it does not come at the center. Sorry. First, draw a line 5 mm. It is front elevation. So, first write front. front, now the plan is over, front elevation is over, and this plan and front elevation letter should be always be center below the drawing. It should be right at the center. Now the plan is over, elevation. Now you have to show the details of the foundation first. Here. Now from here you draw it is your pit, okay? Now it is your ground, okay? Now here the first is it is your first you have to draw one vertical line like this. Okay, then draw one line, okay, make an arrow here and write the details of this one. Here 3 mm PCC bed, PCC bed 1:4:8. Then these are all stone masonry. Okay, how to show the stone masonry? I have told you that is 45-degree line. Yes, 45-degree line, one line and one dotted line, one line, one dotted line, one line, one dotted line, one line, one dotted line at equal distance. Okay, then how to show this one? Okay, make the mirror there. Okay, draw one line, okay, and make an arrow like this. Okay, here UCR. It is here 2 courses of size stone masonry in CM 1:8. 2 courses of size stone masonry. That means SSM, size stone masonry in CM 1:8. Yes. Now it is also same. And here wall. Now over this one you have a brick masonry. Okay, from here you have to show 45-degree line, two lines, two parallel lines from here. Okay, one here, then here, here, like this, here, one more thing, here it is cutting in the window also. That's why you have to show the window like this. This is your sill level and this is your lintel level. Same here, it is your lintel level and this is your sill level. All of you know that window is fixed between the lintel level and sill level. Here you will draw two lines like this. This indicates your window. Okay? Why you have to show the window? I will explain here. Here the section line cuts the wall through the window. That means here along the wall, window is also there. Window and this is below. That window is fixed between the lintel and the sill level. This is your window that you are seeing. When you see from this end, after cutting you will see this window. That is this window. But these two windows are in the walls, and the section line is through the walls also. Now here now this is your wall. Now how to show this one? Here in the detail, burned brick masonry 1:2. That you have to here, from here draw one line like this. Okay, like this. Okay, here draw one line. Right here, burned brick masonry CM 1:6, 230 mm thick. Now next comes your lintel. Lintel here 200 mm thick. That means over the window you have that means 200 mm means 0.2, then you convert it into 0.4. Now this is your lintel and this is your slab.